I'm about to play Smash. Trying to get some cash. I'm gonna get a rash. Hey, it's Rash Balash.
Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy Rash Balash, back at it again with another video. So, this is just going to be a desk update. I recently got this whole desk set up, which you can go check out in my other hot vid. However, I actually really didn't like this monitor stand. I also got from the same company that this desk came from, Autonomous. I'm not able to adjust each monitor's height specifically. And so you can see there that each monitor does have a different height, so because they're not the same exact monitor. So that caused some problems for me. Also, honestly, putting this monitor stand together, having to adjust the height, and then it kept slipping even when I had it screwed in really tight. And then also this, okay, so Autonomous had advertised it as 26 pounds. Each arm should be able to hold 26 pounds of weight. Now this monitor here is, I believe, 11 pounds or 12 pounds, and this one is 10 pounds. This monitor, it holds pretty well. I had to tighten it as far as it could to hold that one. I had tightened this one as far as it could, and it still droops. You can't really tell maybe, but it slowly happens over time where it just suddenly falls. So I'm going to be switching out this monitor stand for a new one that I got from ErGear, I believe. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so this is going to basically be another clueless unboxing, but this is the, I guess, ErGear Flexi Full Motion Desk Mount. This is really what I was going for. I didn't like how I wasn't able to adjust each monitor specifically, and this one had an advertised 27 pounds of weight that it could hold. We'll see if it actually holds up to that. So let's get unboxing this. Okay, so here we have the instruction manual. Here is one of the mounts, base mounts, so it supports 75 millimeters and 100 millimeters. Here is the other one. Here is the clamp for the desk. It's honestly kind of big. One thing I did like about the Autonomous clamp is that it was pretty small. I'm sure if I had gone for the single pole and then the adjustable monitors, it would have been smaller. Maybe I should have done that. This did come with two USB cords. I'm not sure what for. Oh, I see. So you can actually have two USB ports in here if you'd like that. Here is one of the arms. Here is the clamp. Feels a little bit cheap, I guess, but we'll see how it fares. I'm sure once it's clamped to the desk it'll be fine. Here is what goes beneath, between the clamp that goes above your desk and below your desk, so your clamp will go right in here. Then there are some screws. Oh shoot. Okay, so it's the last two arms. Yo, what's up? So I'm going to remove the current monitor setup and then put in the new one, and let's see how it turns out. It's done. Alright guys, so it's finished. I think this took about 45 minutes to set up. In all honesty, okay, so for the comparisons between the two, the autonomous monitor stand and the ErGear, the autonomous is super simple to set up. Everything's basically screwed in together for you. All you have to do is, if you're going to use the clamp, you just tighten the clamp onto your desk, or if you're going to switch it to going through a hole in your desk, then it's super simple. You just remove 3 screws and that's done, and then you set up the monitor arms, which you do have to tighten really tightly, but in general, this one was a lot more set up than the other one. However, this one is super nice. I don't know if I really like the glossy black paint here though. I would rather go with like a matte black paint. That would look really nice. The USB holder was the USB setup was a nice surprise. I don't know if I'll end up really using it that much, but it's nice to have anyways. And I really like the cable holders here, so it kind of just hides it inside of the arm, so you just route it through that and it's completely invisible to your eye, except for maybe where it comes out to connect to the other arm. But another thing I really like about this is that the height of each monitor is adjustable. I still have to adjust the tension, but you guys will see that. You can't really do that with the other one. If you have two of the exact same monitors, then the other one would be great. However, for $80, it's kind of a ripoff. You can get it for like $35 on Amazon. Amazon has their own monitor arm. There's other ones that are really well rated that occasionally go on sale to like $25. But yeah, this one took a while to set up, but it's not like it was difficult. You just have to follow the instructions. It wasn't anything outwardly difficult.